Hey everybody, welcome to Chris Cooks. This is the most wonderful time of the year. Lots of holiday baking kicking up, which is actually my least favorite type of cooking, but I do have a few recipes that are just gonna knock your socks off. I make a killer gluten-free peppermint brownie, and I'm gonna show you how to do that today. It's really not that difficult, and you are going to love it. Let's get going. First thing we want to do, oven 325. We'll just get that preheating on the convection setting. I've also got a kettle of water back here heating up. We are going to start off with some baker's chocolate here and cocoa powder. This is just bittersweet cocoa, and we need about 4 ounces of this. We've got 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder directly in here. To that, we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of this boiling hot water. With the whisk attachment here. And we'll just whisk that up until it's combined. Don't do it too fast. We don't want to lose that heat. We just want to break up the cocoa. Now our 4 ounces of baker's chocolate, I'm just going to kind of break it up into smaller pieces, make it easier to melt. That directly into the hot water. Just going to whisk that gently until it melts. Scrape down the sides a bit. Looks all melted to me. All right, now we need to melt 1 cup of coconut oil. You can do a mix of coconut oil and butter if you like to. I'm just going to use this bowl that has a little cocoa on it. That's fine. This, microwave for 1 minute. In the meantime, avocado oil, 1/2 cup of that. Now that also goes in. Okay, I'm going to start mixing that. I have vanilla and peppermint extract. 1 tablespoon of the vanilla, 2 teaspoons of the peppermint extract. This stuff is very strong, so a little goes a long way. I have 4 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks. We'll go in with the egg yolks to start. First, crack them into this bowl. Make sure we keep our shells out. Right in. Now, sugar. 4 cups of sugar. 1, 4. It smells so holiday. Peppermint, chocolate. Oh, alrighty. We're going to do about 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose, gluten-free, 1-to-1 baking mix. You can also just do flour if you're not doing this gluten-free. We want 3 1/2 cups about. I'm going to start with 3. And then we'll just kind of gauge the texture here, the consistency. So 1, 3. Well, that's looking real good. Okay, another 1/2 cup. I think we'll be there. Nice smooth batter. That is perfect. Have our baking dish here. A little coconut oil, a plastic bag or gloves or something. can also use spray and fresh out in the batter. This is a 9-ounce bag of mini white chocolate chips. Just gonna put that evenly across the top. Take the spatula and just kind of swirl it around. Last thing to add on top of this, some good flake salt. Don't skip this part. It's so yummy. Those brownies will be in the oven. It depends on how big your pan is. The deeper the brownies, the longer it'll take. So I'm using a smaller pan. I'll be probably around an hour or so. You could be more or less. You just want to pay attention to the inside. When you put a toothpick or something in the middle, you don't want it to come out with like batter and stuff on it. You might have some white chocolate, but if there's like gooey batter, then it's not done yet. Okay, this is looking good. We're actually about an hour and 15, hour and 20. But yeah, that's nice. Here we go. Cracked a little bit, that's fine. This is gonna cool off and settle it down a little bit, and it should just be perfect here in probably 30 minutes. The brownies have cooled and settled a little bit. We're just gonna do a quick little dusting here. And that's it. Let's take a little corner piece. Oh yeah. The corner's always, the first piece is always the toughest to get out, but I mean, that's bonkers. So good, just soft, moist inside. It's just the perfect amount of peppermint flavor with the white chocolate chips in there. Yo, this one is good. So this is a really fun one. I hope you give this one a try. The flavor of it, really unique. Great for food restrictions for those who are gluten-free, dairy-free. They're gonna love this when you make this for them these holidays. Or if that's you, make it for yourself because you deserve it. I really hope that you give this one a try. Really simple, great flavor, and just a nice, wonderful treat. Happy holidays. Make it for somebody that you care about.